You got sensor A, sensor B. On the back, you'll see there's sensor B, there's sensor A. And down here, it's going to tell you on the back side of the plate, it's going to show you sensor A coming up, sensor B. So when you feed them in, that's where your connections are. It's just a little tab on it. So you just want to be a little gentle. Don't pull too hard on these, or even when you're putting them in, they'll just slide in, connect nice and simple. On the board, you're going to have the 2 screws, and it's just a matter of undoing these and making sure when you put them back up again, you're going to have to bend these a little bit to get them to go inside on the new one. So you bend it up just to get it past in here, and then make sure this one goes to this one connects to this one, and when you torque it onto the pack, it'll be, you can't turn it anymore. Do not loosen these. So before you're putting them in, do not loosen these screws. These are torqued from the factory at a very specific torque ratio. You will also have to get the heater barrel. You're going to have 1 nut here, 1 nut here to get them off. I use a small little socket. It's just a number 10 to get on in the inside, and it just takes a little loosen of them. They can be a little frustrating to get them back on just because of how limited your area is. So take your time and do that piece.